Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you quickly how to import videos into Premiere Pro. I just got this, so you see this little box right here. If you don't have that, just go over to here and then click Project. So you see this, it says Import Media to Start. You don't know how. You're clicking all over the place and you don't know how. So what you do is right click and then go to Import. Then you go to your video you want to import. I'm going to import my main channel intro. And then your video is now there. It has to be a supported format, like it should list like all supported. You just click all supported formats and you see which ones are supported. You can also see through this whole list which ones are supported. So then to put it to your timeline, click and drag over to here. And there you go. Now your video's done. Playing. Now to export, go to File, and then go to Export, and then Media, or just click Control M. Here, this pops up, this little window here. Now select your format. I'm going to do H.265 or HVEC, and I'm going to do a 720p file. Then you can go to use maximum render quality. Check that, make sure. And then click on export. Don't click on Q because you need Adobe Media Encoder. But go and just click straight export. And then it should start rendering your video. It's encoding it. And then if it's done and it completes, your video has been exported successfully. Now you can close this. Then if you go to File Explorer and then locate your Adobe folder and your documents, and then Premiere Pro and then your version, you can see here. There's my file. I'm gonna open it. You can't play it on here though, but if you do play it, you can hear the audio. You can't play it back on here though. It plays. It works, and this is what you exported in 1280 by 720, 30 FPS. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.